from just eating that and not eating actual food that makes you look good. I'm being so for real. Even after
I got this.
Just eating
I like
noodles,
my
eating
hands,
chips,
you know.
soda.
I'm not even drinking
I
soda.
gotta
Okay,
go
but still,
to math
you drink soda, you
class.
drink juice, you do the same thing.
Sit down.
Well, tell me. Like, what do you eat at once? It's like,
Nothing.
What?
Starve.
you starve?
I want to starve.
Hi, Dada.
No. Tell me, what do you like to eat?
Very fun.
I want to starve.
But
Okay, but what do you eat at your mom's?
I want to starve.
Should I call her and ask
hey,
her?
you.
You usually say that to people and you go, no, they're going to call somebody and ask them who's going to go and take you away. And it almost happened to me.
Guess what?
Prom.
Better next
Right.
time.
I almost got taken away.
What?
You remember? You remember it.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
This is fun.
The other person that lives here. The other two.
Ba 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 ba. So,
Want an apple?
I'm just
You want some apple and peanut butter?
be nice.
Sure. I do want some apple and peanut butter.
Okay.
We got a new shower head.
Yeah, you're down for that.
Does it work?
You can change the...
I freaking looked at the towel and I was like, what is that?
That. And do not open, just don't. No, I'm not gonna go.
What are you doing, babe?
I did not like that, but I'm okay. I'm doing a thing. But maybe there's more to this one. Hello, Mr.
Is there any
Spanta.
apples?
Spanta. Those are trim. You there? Ooh, Oreo.
Peanut butter.
I'm gonna take grab it. Bye-bye, Spanta. Pretty nice. Whee! School's over.
Peanut butter.
Yay.
What's a peanut butter and a spoon? That will taste good.
Running. What does that say?